What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever faced the frustrating issue of your iPhone camera not working? Before rushing to the repair shop, today, we've got troubleshooting solutions that might just do the trick. Let's dive into it. First, close the camera app. Still no luck? Try a force restart. For iPhone 10 or later, press and quickly release the volume up and down buttons successively, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If the issue persists, the next step is to reset all settings. Open the Settings app, go to General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset All Settings. This won't affect your data but may resolve the camera problem. If needed, check for a software update in General, then Software Update. Install any available updates. If, after all these steps, your camera is still unresponsive, it might be a hardware issue. In that case, it's advisable to arrange for a professional repair. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.